Hey there, what is up you guys? I am Jerry and welcome back to the channel, The Chicago Griller. This is the show where I share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes for the Weber Q. And if you think that I can help you out, hit that like button and subscribe. In today's video, I'll be making Japanese barbecue chicken on my Weber Q. Now, the easy way is to just throw it straight on the grill and grill direct, but today I'm going to show you a better way, so stick around. For today's recipe, I'll be using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. As you can see, I got these from Costco as part of a larger value pack. Each individual package usually has 2 to 3 chicken thighs. After drying off your chicken thighs, place them all into a plastic Ziploc baggie. A quart-sized baggie was perfect for me, but if you're cooking more thighs, you may need a gallon-sized bag. Once all your thighs are in the bag, it's time for the barbecue sauce. Today, I'll be using Bachan's Japanese BBQ sauce. This sauce seems to have become very popular here in the US because I see it sold everywhere now. Regardless of what brand of sauce you do use, add to your bag of chicken thighs. I don't really measure out how much sauce I use, I just use enough so that all my chicken thighs are covered. Now, securely zip up the bag, give it a few shakes, tosses, and turns, and then place it in the fridge and let this marinate for about 4 to 8 hours. Alright, fast forwarding, and it's almost time to grill. But like I said in the intro, instead of doing this the quick and easy way, we're going to do this the better way. This involves using a roasting rack. So let's place these marinated chicken thighs one by one onto the roasting rack. So why is this the better way? Well, it's because Japanese barbecue sauce, like most barbecue sauces, has a lot of sugar. And what happens to sugar when it spends too much time directly on the grill? That's right, it burns. So cooking indirect helps solve for this problem. By elevating your chicken slightly off of the grill grates, we can ensure that our chicken will cook to perfection while still preserving the sweet, tangy flavor profile of that Japanese barbecue sauce. Alright, so let's head on out to the grill. So out here on my patio, I've been preheating my Weber Q for the past 10 to 15 minutes. And during this time, I've also gone ahead and lined my roasting rack with an aluminum foil shield. So now when I lay the roasting rack on the grill, my chicken thighs are not getting any direct heat from the burner tubes below. This technique is known as indirect grilling, and essentially turns my outdoor grill to act like an oven. Now I'm going to insert a temperature probe in the thickest part of one of my thighs, so I can monitor the internal temperature as I grill. So shut the lid and roast at about 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's approximately 200 degrees Celsius, until we reach our desired internal temperature. It took about 20 minutes on the grill, but I've reached my target temperature, which is right around 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll see I'm a little bit under, but that's okay because we're going to finish these chicken thighs off by directly searing them on the grill grates. So let's remove this temperature probe and also get this roasting rack and shield off the grates and get set for the searing step. Turn your gas knob to medium at this time if it's not already there. Any hotter and you risk that barbecue sauce burning on the grates. Alright, so now to finish these chicken thighs on the grill grates. Take care to avoid or knock off any debris that may have accumulated from the roasting step. With all my chicken thighs now on board, I'm going to give them a gentle press so that they're in good contact with the grates. Shut the lid and let these sear for just about a minute or a minute and a half per side. I know that doesn't sound like a lot of time, but remember, these chicken thighs are basically already fully cooked. We're just getting some final color and texture on them. So let's get these all flipped over and cook for a final 60 to 90 seconds. I can really smell the sweetness coming off the sauce on these chicken thighs. I really can't wait to get into them. So here we are, about 60 seconds later. We can pull all these Japanese barbecue chicken thighs off the grill. We'll set them aside for just a few minutes to rest before slicing them up and serving. So there you go, Bachan's Japanese barbecue chicken thighs made on a Weber Q. This is a super versatile dish that goes with a lot of sides. Today, I'm pairing it with some Japanese-style potato salad and some stir-fried cabbage. Let me know in the comments down below what you like to pair your barbecue chicken thighs with. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I can't wait to see you all again next time. Bye!